Cabana Bay, and the good news is it's not raining, which means when Matthew doesn't sleep, nobody sleeps. It's overlooking the volcano at Volcano Bay, which is lovely. But I have to say that the Cabana Bay is much more relaxed than the Disney resort. Just go round and round. Very enjoyable for half an hour. Stopping here, you get 1 hour early access to Volcano Bay. But now it's time to check out from Cabana Bay. $18. So it's not just Universal charge for parking, it is now Disney. Golden, slapping away. Whee! Which is a shame because we were just comfortable, but safety comes first. And now we're just heading off to Hailwood Studios for one night. We've got fast passes for Star Tours. Oh, it's Slinky, what's the name yet? Under this pool. It's a 65-minute wait without the fast pass. Who's going to win, Lauren?
Probably you.
Anyway, we'll be coming back here again. Gutted. Anyway, no ice cream for you tonight. So the wait time for Rock and Roller Coaster is 165 minutes. Thank you.
So we've had a good time at Hailwood Studios. We've been on Rock and Roller Coaster, Toy Story Mania, where Lauren was the winner yet again. So cool.
No, same.